King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey Sexy Lexi babes, before we get into this video, I just wanted to ask you all to please go subscribe to my personal channel, Life with Lex. The link is in the description below. If you guys get me to 1,000 subscribers on Life with Lex before June 29th, my birthday, and 10,000 subscribers on my business channel, Sexy Lexi Inc., before my birthday, I will be doing a huge giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to my personal channel and my business channel. Love you guys. Let's get into the video. Hey Sexy Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing some new inventory. Some of this stuff is things I needed to restock in, and some of this stuff is new, but I got my gloves on because some of these items came from out of the country, and we just want to be safe. So where should we start? Also, I wanted to be outside because it's nice outside. It's like 70 degrees. It's a nice little breeze. And I just want to have a different scenery. So let's start with this little box right here. I haven't opened anything. Stuff was coming every day. I didn't open anything because I wanted to wait to do it for this video. Y'all, these birds got nests everywhere. I don't know why I be opening the box with a butter knife, but it's the same knife I use to open all my boxes. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. It's my anklets, my Cuban link chain anklets. I got a pink one, a silver one, and a gold. So this is how they look in the pack before I show y'all. So freaking pretty. We got to see this in the sunlight, okay? And it's heavy too because it's thick. So good quality. Oh, this is so pretty. This is how it looks in the light, y'all. So cute. These are the pink ones. Oh yes, yes ma'am. These are so cute. Okay, I think these might be my favorite. Look at that silver one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, I don't even know what to say. Okay, so those were the bomb anklets. My new Cuban link anklets that I bought to start selling. They're so cute. Wow, I love them. Okay. Let's do this in this bag. Ow. Ooh, I hurt my nail. Ooh. 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 They do not be playing when they wrap these. Like, this is some heavy duty tape. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, I got on my City Girl lashes from Sexy Lexi Inc. You know it. In the style City Girl. I love them. Get yours, boo. Okay. Okay, this is just something I restocked in. Our Space Cadet sunglasses. To take them out. All right. This one. Heavy duty tape again. Okay, another restock. I had to restock in our Motorsport shades in the white because white sold out. Had to restock in these, so that's not anything new. These might be my lip scrub jars. It kind of sound like it. All right, let me be careful. Yeah, right? Yeah, these are lip scrub jars. All right. From? Oh, I think this is hold on. Oh, I'm sure. Oh, this is cute. This is actually my gloss base from Get Stucker. I tried to get a different brand because TKB was saying they had a yellow hue in their gloss base, and I didn't want that, so I'm trying Get Stucker's gloss base, and I bought 10 of them. Ooh, it's 8.5 ounce, so it's a lot more. It's clear, looks good. They filled it all the way. It's like really thick, and it's also vegan as well. So I'm excited to try this one. The only reason why it was expensive was because of shipping, but the gloss base itself was only, do it say it up here? I forgot. I think it was like $3, but the shipping made it cost more. But the gloss base itself is not expensive at all. This is how it looked packaged. Is that cute or what? That's so cute. I love how they got the package. Boom, boom, boom. We're on our last package. Oh no. This one hard to open. Let's try from over here. No, they didn't. Tell me these are not fire. Oh my gosh, these is so cute. Y'all, I'm really mad at this. I had to cut the grass right now while I'm filming, but I'm gonna go inside in a second. These is so cute. Okay, period. Hot girl summer in full effect. Shop with Sexy Lexi Inc. because we have nothing but the best, as you can see. Here is our pink color. So cute, y'all. These are bomb. Like, I freaking love these. These look like the glasses that Kylie Jenner had on. So cute. I don't like these. Let me hurry up. Here are two more colors, are brown and white. Okay guys, I'm so sorry that my neighbor came outside and decided to mow her lawn today while I'm filming, but it's okay. That means I have to cut the video short and end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to shop Sexy Lexi Inc. Again, I'm rocking our City Girl lashes. And all the shades and all the anklets and everything that you saw will be dropping on my site soon. I'm actually going to go take some product pictures and I might insert that in this video so you guys can see as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. As always, love you, Sexy Lexi babes, and have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye.